We've got our oil in here that we want to use for the batch, roughly 90 to 100 gallons. Heat that up to 120 degrees, and then we just start circulating that oil, kind of, if you can picture, down, out, and then back up, and then slowly introducing that methoxide. And that's where the reaction happens, is right, as it's being introduced right in this mixing tube, that's where the initial reaction takes place. And so we let that just kind of react for something like 4 hours or so, 4 to 6 hours, and that's it. And like John said, we'll drain off the glycerin and move it over here in the washing tank, and this is where we wash the fuel. Because you want to wash the fuel, it'll have bound up glycerin in it, it'll have unreacted catalyst, all kinds of stuff you want to get out before you put in your car. And the way we do that, we actually have a batch in here right now that we've been having trouble with. But there's misters mounted over top of the batch here, and we mist that oil, or we mist the water over top of the oil. And then that water, being heavier than oil, it drops down through the oil, down through the biodiesel. And as it's going down through, it's grabbing any unreacted catalyst, anything else. And so that the water's at the bottom, and we drain off that wash water. And so that's, it used to be that they would wash, the way you'd wash biodiesel was, you do that like 3 or 4 times, and just, wash it, drain it, wash it, drain it, wash it, drain it. Now the industry standard is going to dry washing, and that's around the corner here. And that's, we just actually got this summer, and that's a column filled with these tiny little plastic beads, like smaller than sand sized beads, and they're charged with, I think it's sulfuric acid, but they're charged with hydrogen, and they anything that's going down through it is going to be attracted to that. So after we get done washing once, we pump it up into the upper tank and then just slowly let it go down through that media. And then that's it. We put it in that rolling tank over there, and it's ready to pump in the tank.
Does that stuff get dirty after a while and you have to just clean it and change it or whatever?
Yeah, you can. We figure you can get about 2,000 gallons out of that, and then you can actually recharge it by giving it a methanol bath. You just let it set in methanol for, I think it's like 8 or 10 hours, something like that.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And then are you going to talk about the waste stream over to the...
Yeah, we can hop over there.